Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show how you can record a Teams meeting. So as of right now, if you are using Teams through your mobile phone, should it be Android or iOS, doesn't matter at this point. Unfortunately, the Teams app does not have an inbuilt function to record Teams calls, unlike the desktop version of app, but there is a little trick that you can use, which obviously is an built-in screen recorder into your phone. So on an iPhone, you can access it by opening the control center and tapping at this shortcut. As you can see, the screen recording will start. Now it is live. And once the meeting ends, you can just stop the screen recording by tapping over here, tapping at the stop option, and pretty much the same goes for the Android phones as well, since they all also have, or at least 99% of them, they also have the built-in screen recorder tool. So that would be one way to record your Teams meeting. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.